Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Setclod Laptop Screen Extender, 12-inch FHD, 1080p, IPS Laptop Monitor Extender, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Portable, plug and play. This laptop screen extender is portable and designed specifically for professionals on the go. The dual monitor of the laptop supports a rotation angle of 0 to 180 degrees, compact and exquisite, and can be folded and stored in the laptop bag. Very suitable for work, travel, gaming, and video conferencing. High-quality screen. The laptop monitor extender features a 12-inch FHD, 1080p, IPS screen, providing excellent color rendering and a bright, high-quality viewing experience. The low blue light design has anti-glare and flicker-free functions to protect the eyes. Increase efficiency up to 200%. The dual-screen monitor for laptop allows you to open multiple windows simultaneously without the need to continuously switch back and forth on a single laptop screen. Very suitable for gamers, programmers, finance and investment professionals, designers, and anyone who needs a more efficient workflow. Widely compatibility. The laptop screen extender monitor portable supports a wide range of devices and operating systems, compatible with laptops ranging from 13 inches to 16 inches. This laptop monitor is compatible with multiple devices such as Windows, Mac, Chrome, Android, Linux, DeX, and Switch. No driver is needed. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.